Good morning, children. So, yesterday in the last class, we learned about the groups of animals based on their eating habits or food habits. We learned the definitions of each group, examples, isn't it? So today we will learn how animals find food themselves from their surroundings, isn't it? So if you are watching Animal Kingdom, Animal Discovery Channel, or what is the other channel?
Animal Planet.
Animal Planet, I forgot. Animal Planet or Discovery Channel, etc. If you are watching,
National Geography.
okay, National Geographic Channel. Okay, very good. You are watching that and all, Ekraj? Very good. Okay, but don't watch it all time in your spare time only. Okay, so in these channels, if you see that, you can see lion, tiger, not only lion, tiger, the other animals also, how they are finding their food from the surroundings, isn't it? So what helps them to find food from surrounding, food to find from surroundings? That is what we want to learn it today. Understood? What we today we are going to learn about how animals find food themselves from the surroundings. So take your rough book, children. Take your rough book. Sahal, why are you showing your what it is, a fridge or refrigerator or something? I want to see your face. Okay. Okay. So Algan is traveling. Where are you going, Algan? Hmm? Okay. So today's heading, what we are going to learn? Okay. So children, take your rough book and start writing. What is today's day? Tell me. What is today's date? Tell me.
21.
Okay, 21, 10.
21.
Okay, 21. Okay, okay. 21, 10, 21. So today's topic is how animals, how animals find food. Are you writing? How animals find food themselves. How animals find food themselves from their surroundings. Okay, this is what we want to learn it today. So, did you copy this? Did you note down this concept? Today we are going to discuss this concept. Okay, so shall I stop sharing?
No, ma'am.
One second.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in while you watch these TV channels, you can see various animals. Okay, different animals have different methods to find their food from the surroundings. Crocodiles, snakes, lion, tiger, etc. Rabbits, birds. Birds also, different types of birds. Some birds which they can catch fish from the ocean or from the sea. It is very easy. Yeah, vulture like. Yeah, these all animals. See, when we watch these all, we may surprised how intelligent these animals are, isn't it? You don't feel like that, children?
Yes,
You don't feel like that?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
how intelligent, how cunningly, how they are smartly they are catching their food. Okay. So for just for us at your home, in your kitchen, maybe your mother took some chocolates or some cookies and kept it secretly in a place. because you are now at home, no online classes. Even I am also suffering from that. Okay. Whatever it is there kept at home, when I return back to home, that container will be empty. So what I did now, it is not, I don't have worries about as it is finishing. Okay, that is okay, they can eat. But too much, if you are eating too much things, that is not good, isn't it? Huh? Do you feel it like so? Huh? Is that your parents are complaining like this? Huh?
Yes.
Maybe. Okay, maybe that is the main reason parents are requesting to open the school, reopen it. Am I right? Okay, because somewhat fed up. Just a joke. Okay, so children, when yeah, it is kept it at home secretly. Maybe you are not. It is not easy for you to find out because your mom is very smart. She kept it secretly, but maybe one smart insects are there. Can you guess who can find out this?
And
Very good. Okay, so I understood. You all have this experience. Yeah, am I right? Yes.
Yes.
So even if you are not able to find out the cookies or whatever it is your favorite snacks, if it is kept it secretly, ants will help you, isn't it? So if you are if you are following the ants, you may get that secret place. Am I right? It is quite natural. So in this one, sugar cans, sugar tin, there all we can see. Sometimes, yeah, almost all food items, if we are not keeping it
Yes.
properly, the ants may make it as their food, isn't it? It's food,
Yes,
isn't
ma'am.
it? Yeah. So in the same way, so did you what wondered? Did you feel wonder? Even if you can't find the things which your parents are keeping in the kitchen, even if that kitchen is yours and that is your house, but ants are finding it. Am I right?
Because yes, ma'am, because they have a strong smell.
Okay, sense of smell, because
Yes,
they
ma'am.
have strong sense of smell, but you don't have.
Wrong sense.
Isn't it? If it is kept at in front of you, then only you will get that smell. That much poor, not like a smart sense, smelling sense like the ants. Okay, so children, so ants, nobody is, are you keeping any food item for the ants? Ants come and eat, make your belly full. And likewise, did you say no? They have to
Father
find
set
out
up
the
a
food.
trap when we went outside.
Alvina?
My father set up a trap for the ants when we went outside.
Yes, sure. One chalk is there, no? We can keep that. We can draw some line to what rescue. We
In
can say
another
rescue
way.
operations from
Ma'am,
this.
another way.
Okay. So children, these ants, nobody is feeding them. They have to find the food of their own. So what they will do? Their sense of smell, it is too small. Okay, they have a strong sense of smell. Ants have strong sense of smell. That helps them to find out the food for them from the surroundings. Is it clear? Is it clear, Niranjan?
Yes, ma'am.
Niranjan, is it clear? Okay, so if I ask you, do you have strong sense of smell like ants? Is it a true sentence or a false sentence?
False.
Niranjan?
False.
False. Yes, he agreed because he can't find out the snacks which his mom kept it secretly. But ants. Understood? Okay, so children, even if we are learning these all, even if we are saying it in, maybe you feel it as joke, but these all are important things. Okay. So, and can you tell me any other animals, how they are finding out, and how, which sense organ helps them to find out that? Don't read the textbook. Don't read the textbook.
Ma'am, dog.
Yes. See, wait. From your experience. Okay. I know, as it is the case of food, you all have a lot of experiences. Am I right? Okay. So raise your hand. I will give chances. Okay. Yes. Yes, Noel. I saw Noel or Nia raised their hand first. Yes. See, what is what is your experience there?
Ma'am, not about food, ma'am.
Not about
Not about food. It's about a bird.
it is about a okay, tell me whatever it is, tell me.
Ma'am, one day while I and my father and mom were talking in the garden, so we heard a sound in the pot. So we just looked. So a small bird was stuck, and look for our cat because she will attack. Then we just saw, we look in our bag. So our cat was hearing the sound and come sit near the pot, and she was looking around for the bird, so we understood she has a strong sense of hear.
Okay, cats, isn't it? Very good explanation, very good experience. Okay, so cats have strong sense of hearing. Their ears are so sensitive. You might have seen it, no? They are
Yes,
keeping its eyes. Yes, Saira. Which sense organ is strong in you? You are showing some faces. Huh? So did you see how these cats are keeping their ears while hearing some, if you are scratching something or there? Have you seen it? No? So cats have a strong sense of hearing. Smell also. They also have smell, a strong sense of smell also. That is why they are coming through the windows and taking the fish curries, milk that is all kept in your kitchen. Isn't it? Yes. So another one, let me.
Ma'am,
Aiden.
ma'am, I
Aiden.
have never cat on.
Okay. Aiden, what is your experience after that? Payal. Okay. So.
Ma'am, when I was in third standard, I was studying my one subject, and I was going outside for studying. I saw my dog from the cage. There was Kambi. It was like this. I have some hens and chickens. He grabbed on them. From that he was a dog.
Okay. That is not a good experience. No, Aiden. Huh? I don't feel so. Because your dog, that is very cruel. Oh, in this story, that dog is the villain, which cat this kills maybe your favorite chicks and. Okay, Payal, what is your experience?
When I go outside and play in the garden, I see some squirrels eating nuts. They use their front teeth, and then like that sound they make to eat. They have sharp teeth.
Okay, sharp front teeth, isn't it? They have squirrels. Squirrels have, see, when the picture itself, we can see, since cartoon pictures of the squirrels, we can see that two front teeth that are big. It is illustrated as big one, isn't it? So that strong, big front teeth help this squirrel to crack the nuts. Crack the nuts and eat the pulp inside it. Am I right? And in the same, okay. Any other experience? Any other children? Okay, Nora, after a long time that you are attending our class, what happened? Why? Is there any?
Ma'am, I was traveling.
Okay. So now where are you?
Now I'm in Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay, okay. So tell me, Nora, what about your experience? See, children, some are ready to tell it, but I want everyone to share their experience. Okay, don't sit like a mere what it is viewer. Hmm? Yes, Nora, tell me.
Ma'am, my dog has a strong sense of smell.
Yeah, okay. Yes, that is why dogs are used in police academies and all, no?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
helping for helping to whenever a thief or if any murder if it happens, dog squad. Isn't it? That is the name of that dog squad. Dogs will be brought on to that, and it will smell, and it will run to that and their place where through that this thief or the person who killed that also went where it went, isn't it? So dogs have a strong sense of smell that can be used in the used by the police. Yeah,
Yeah.
isn't it? So which is sense not only for finding out these all things, for taking the food, that also strong sense of smell helps them to find the food from surroundings. Okay, any other thing, Nora? Is it okay? Yes, okay. So Hasib, yes, so last chance. Okay, after that we can conclude this topic.
Ma'am, I was like little and I went to the zoo.
Hmm.
And I saw a monkey. And I did this thing. I put the food in my hand and gave it to the monkey. The monkey scratched it and my hand also got broken.
Okay, that is why it is told don't give food in zoos or in roadsides. When we are going to Adirapalli, Vaichar or some hilly stations, we can see. We can see monkeys are sitting there. If we are catching what it is, Lays or anything with us, ice cream, Lays or anything, why nothing to say. No, they will
Jump on us.
yeah,
It will
yes.
jump
And
on.
another thing, see, have you heard of a Malayalam song? Long ago. See, just I'm singing that. Ayapandamma, Ayappan Chuttu.
Yes,
Yes, yes. So different versions are there, isn't it? Different versions. Ustad Hotel in that film. Yeah, different. That song is in different. Yeah, version. Okay. So here, that what did happen, Ridu, in that story? Tell me. What it really happened? You don't know. Okay, who can tell me what happened? What is that? The Len is very much interested. Len, can you tell me what did happen? Really happened in that? He is singing also. Can you sing it, Len? Len, can you sing that song now? Yeah, do it. Yes, for me. First, who can do it? Who can sing? First.
I can tell the story.
Payal. No, nobody? No. Okay, Payal. Okay, tell me.
There was this poor man and he owned a hotel. And Dulquer Salman.
No. I am not asking the story of the film. That song, no. What is the content of that song? Egaraj is singing, but
running the hotel. When he's running the hotel, there's a song.
Okay, Payal. Okay, let it be. So, see what it happened if you are sitting outside, out of your house by keeping some food in your hand. Maybe you are seeing nobody is there, so I can eat it fast. But who may be watching? Who may be watching you?
Animals.
Crows. Okay, crows that are flying far away. Okay, so that may be Bennett. Are you here? So that may be watching. Okay, that may be watching that some sort of food is there in your hand. So it may fly near to you and will grab it, isn't it? So what is that helps the crows or birds to find food for them? Ridu. Is it smell?
No.
No, then what it helps?
Ma'am, can Alvina say?
Yes, Alvina.
They have a sharp eyesight.
Yeah, they have a strong sight. Okay, strong sense of sight. Crows, birds have strong sense of sight that helps them to find the food. Okay, that is because of that strong sense of sight, that song it is formed, isn't it? Okay, so children, these are the yes, Ritu, what you want? When I ask you, you are not giving any answer. Hmm.
Ma'am, when my friend was going to one place, there was a monkey. He was eating the lollipop. The monkey took the lollipop and
A lollipop, monkey took it and ate it, licked it. Okay. After that, that monkey gave it back that lollipop. Okay. So these are the sense of the animals have strong sense of senses than human beings. Okay. Animals have strong sense than the human beings. That helps them to find food. Ekaraj? Ekaraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what you want to say?
Monkey has.
So everybody have some experience with monkeys. I understood from this reason. Okay, let it be. Let it be. So, and see children, snakes. Okay, snakes. They can't hear, but their skin. Through that skin they can understand the vibrations. Okay, their skin is so sensitive, so strong. That is why they can catch or they can understand, they can understand that sounds and all. They have poor eyesight and sense of hearing. Okay, they don't have ears, and their eyesight is also very poor. But their skin is also a sense organ, isn't it? Their skin is so sensitive. That helps them to find food. And another thing, frogs, have you seen in channels maybe? Yeah, in channels, you might have seen how the frogs catch their prey. Isn't it? Yes. Who can tell me?
with their long tongue.
Yes, they may put out their long tongue. Isn't it? Sometimes if we are seeing the frog, we can't imagine, do they have like this long tongue? But when it sees some prey, their food, what they will do? It may take its long tongue and put it on that prey. On the tongue, some sticky substances are there on the tongue of the frogs. On that sticky substance, on that tongue, these prey may stick on and they can take it back and they can eat. Okay, that is how these frogs are catching their food. Clear?
Chameleons also, chameleon.
Yes, that is also like that type of what we call creatures. And another one, rabbits. Here which all more than this you can tell me, but rabbits. Rabbits also have sharp, long, strong teeth, isn't it? Front teeth.
Yes, ma'am.
Front teeth. So sometimes small, when you are in 5th standard, 4th standard and all, your teeth may start to lose, isn't it? On that place, new strong big teeth will come. So at that time, sometimes your parents may take, like rabbit's teeth, isn't it? The front teeth will be very long, very big, not like the milk teeth which you had before. Yeah, which you had before. So that is similar like the rabbit's teeth, isn't it? Yes, Hasib. Yes.
Ma'am, I had experience with the snake one time.
What happened? Wait. See, experience with the snake. You don't want to hear it. Yes, Hasib, tell me.
Ma'am, when I was in India, my father's friend, we went to India and there were like near the house. So when we went to the house, we parked the bike near there and went. when we
Hasib,
came
come near to the device and say it loudly. Yeah, it is breaking in between. Ah,
yeah, when I went to a house, there were lake near them. And when I went to the house and we talked, and when we came out, there was a snake near the tire. In the tire.
okay, near the tire.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Tire
And
of the bike.
Oh,
And it
so
went inside the tire.
okay,
I
so
have a experience with snakes.
oh,
Ma'am, I also
you
have.
all have some experience, no?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes.
Anyhow, let it be, let it be. So, children,
Ma'am, I
because
have
these
experience
creatures
with
have,
rabbits.
because these creatures have strong senses through which they can find out their food. Understood? So, can we write the points which we learned it today?
Ma'am,
Are you
Yes,
ready?
ma'am. Yes.
ma'am, I was having an experience with Kodomo dragon.
Which one?
Kodomo dragon.
No, it's
Oh.
Komodo dragon.
How it is? Okay, we can discuss that in next class. Okay, wait. This chapter is all about the creatures, no? So we can now start to write. Okay, points. How animals find food from their surroundings. Okay, so I already told what helps the animals to find food from their surroundings.
Their strong sense.
They have animals have strong sense of strong senses. Okay, animals have strong senses that helps them to find their food. Okay, so point one. Okay, animals. Write it. Animals find their food. Animals find their food with the help of
Ma'am, we should write in our notebook.
yes, rough book. Okay, with the help of their senses. Their senses are, next point. Their senses are stronger than ours. Clear, children? So very important points, okay? Animals find their food with the help of their dash. How can you answer that? With the help of their
Senses.
senses. With the help of their senses. Next point. Animal senses are. So instead of their, you can write animals. Okay. Animals. Animals' senses are stronger than ours. Ours means a human being. Okay. So, animal senses are stronger or weaker?
Strong.
Stronger than ours. Okay. So, these 2 points we learned it today. And now, what is the time now? Okay. I will write quick points. Okay. Next one. One. Ants. Ants have what it is? Ants strong sense of smell.
Smell.
Strong sense of.
Can we write sharp sense?
Okay, sharp sense also strong or sharp. Both are correct. Okay. Wait, 1 minute. Sharp or strong. Okay, next one. Cats. These all are from the textbook, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this chapter, I will write it and I will tell you to write and learn. In the next chapter onwards, you have... Okay, okay. I think it is automatically some problem.
Ma'am, what
My
point?
dog has sharp.
Okay, okay. Birds have... What about the birds, children?
They can spot the
Strong sight of
Ma'am,
eyesight.
birds have, ma'am, birds like parrots have strong beaks to crack open
Okay,
nuts.
okay. That is also there. Birds have strong...
birds can see their food from far away.
Yes, have strong sense of sight.
Also have talents. Strong
Okay,
talent.
these are, these are some of the examples, okay? Dogs. Dogs have not only sharp sense of smell, their teeth, they have sharp teeth also, isn't it?
Ma'am, I have some experience with rabbits.
Yes, sorry. Okay. Wait. Okay, after completing this.
You wrote D-O-N.
When you are talking, no, I will lose my concentration. That is why. Okay.
And sharp teeth.
Yes, and okay. Strong sense of smell and also have okay. So then squirrels, rabbits, they are then cows teeth. Oh, that also helps them to grind the plant parts. Okay, rabbits and these cows are eating plant parts. So for grinding the plant parts, their teeth are very, it is flat and strong. That helps them to grind the food properly. Clear? So each animal or each creature have its own senses that helps them to find the food and to eat it. Understood, children? So this page number 2 and 3, you have to read properly, underline. So many points are there. You can expect so many questions for the test also. Okay, so next day I will not give any time to revise. You have to directly, I will take a test. Okay, children, so be ready. Be ready, read the page number 2 and 3 of this chapter. Okay.
No.
Sorry?
From textbook.
Yes, from textbook. See, children, in the workbook, only few questions are there. Okay, so from the textbook, workbook, anyhow, you will learn, you will by heart that one, I know, by correcting your papers, that I understood. But if I ask it from the textbook, it will be very difficult.
Part 1.
Who is asking that?
Egaraj.
Very good, Egaraj. Okay, which? After the term 1 exam, which one? Okay, Algan present, Abhinav Krishna absent, Aiden present, Egaraj present, Akshat present, Alona. Is she still here, Alona? Or left? Alona. Alvina, Ananda Krishnan, Anay Harish absent. Angelo, Anushankar, Asin absent. Bennett is here. Bennett?
Ma'am, Angelo is present.
Who?
Yes, ma'am.
Who?
Ma'am, Angelo is present.
Yes, Angelo.
Ma'am, Bennett is
Yes.
present.
Bennett, can you hear me, Bennett? Bennett, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Be regular in class. Okay, you are a good boy. So be regular in class. Okay. Asin absent, Bennett present. See, this is the second attendance you are getting from for my class. Okay, Bennett. Congratulations. So next one, Binnu, Leo, Delna, Ethan, Evangel, Hamlin absent, Hasib, Krishnesh absent.
Ma'am, present.
Krishnesh, oh, you are present. Krishnesh present, Len present, Leon present, Mival present, Faris. What about Faris? Oh, okay, Faris. I have seen your face after 2 years. When you are there in third standard, no? After that, now only I am seeing your face. Switch on your videos, okay? Muhammad Sahal, Nainika, Niranjan, Nora, Payal, Nia, Noel, Ridu, Shabari, Sarah, Samuel, Tonio absent. Okay, so children, now it is the time to wind up today's class. Read the textbook properly, underline these points, okay? So, bye. Thank you. Take care.